Quiz time. Be smart and fun, let's play. Multiple choice. 10 questions, answer in 3 seconds, 4 level. Let's go. Easy. Question 1. Mu tilde. A. Sheep. B. Cow. C. Goat. B. Cow. Question 2. Elephant. This large mammal has a trunk and lives in Africa or Asia. A. Rhino. B. Elephant. C. Hippo. B. Elephant. Question 3. Zoom in. Black and white fur, round ears, bamboo nearby. A. Panda. B. Skunk. C. Raccoon. A. Panda. Medium. Question 4. Sound. Howl at night, often in packs. A. Coyote. B. Hyena. C. Wolf. C. Wolf. Question 5. This bird can mimic human speech. A. Parrot. B. Flamingo. C. Owl. A. Parrot. Question 6. Baby penguin. This animal can't fly but wears a tuxedo. A. Puffin. B. Penguin. C. Kiwi. B. Penguin. Hard. Question 7. What animal has blue blood and multiple hearts? A. Squid. B. Octopus. C. Seahorse. B. Octopus. Question 8. Sound. Clicking and squeaking underwater, uses sonar to hunt. A. Seal. B. Whale. C. Dolphin. C. Dolphin. Impossible. Question 9. This animal has the fastest tongue in the animal kingdom compared to its body size. A. Woodpecker. B. Chameleon. C. Frog. B. Chameleon. Question 10. Zoom in. Microscopic stumpy creature that can survive space. A. Bacterium. B. Tardigrade. C. Mite. B. Tardigrade. Did you survive the impossible level? Comment your score, share and challenge your friends. Like and subscribe for more BrainVid every day. Thank you for watching.